I'm not sure if it's a 20-kilometer walk, but
Yeah.
trying something. Huh? Yes, we're walking today. Hence the name of the page, Adventure Space. Give them a wave, give them a wave. Adventure Space. Oi, see. Yep. I don't know if that building is abandoned. Well, I guess it is because look at the state of the door. We used to call that building Updamon Apartments. Long time. Updamon Apartments.
These are apartments?
Well, that's what we used to call it.
So what were they?
They used to have lawyers' offices in there, as you can see. Foster's. Yeah. Colin Foster. Yes. And yes guys, so we've almost made it to the finishing point for today's walk. And I'll end it with this lovely video of the city of Castries. She says she don't know why I'm not a news reporter.